Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Bake or Eat. I am Chef Isabella. Thank you for joining me in making delicious marble cake. During the course of the making, you will find how easy it is to make the spectacular marble cake at home. So without wasting any more time, let's start. Place sugar and butter into a mixing bowl. Mix slowly with an electric mixer at medium speed for about 2 minutes to combine. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating until well combined, before adding the next. Add flour and salt slowly. Combine the mixture, add buttermilk and oil. Then continue mixing the remaining flour. Dear friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Add baking powder and baking soda and mix it well. Take out 30% of the batter and combine it with the chocolate powder. Mix and fold it gently until it is well combined. Dear friends, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Layer the batter into the prepared mold, starting with plain batter, then chocolate, and ending with plain batter. Drag a small butter knife through the batter in horizontal and vertical lines to create a marbled pattern. It does not have to be perfect. The random design of the batter makes the cake more appealing. Preheat oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean, or with few moist crumbs. Once the cake is out of the oven, run a small offset spatula or a knife around the edge of the mold, to help separate the cake from the mold. Thank you friends for watching. I hope you have enjoyed making chocolate marble cake. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will be back soon with another delicious recipe.